Hello students, I am Alka Singh, Scouts and Guides teacher in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School. Today's topic is about Scouts and Guides. What is Scout and Guide? Bharat Scouts and Guides is a voluntary non-political educational movement for young people in accordance with the purpose, principles and method conceived by the founder Lord Baden-Powell in 1907. Next topic, what is the purpose of Scout and Guide? The purpose of scouting guiding is to develop the potential of the young people by providing them a number of structured activities in order to make them physically, mentally, socially, spiritually, and emotionally strong and useful citizens of the nation. Next topic, history of scouting and guiding. Baden-Powell full name is Robert Stephenson Smith Baden-Powell, who was born in 22 February 1857 in Stanhope Street, London. His father Baden-Powell was a priest in Church of England and also a professor at Oxford University. His mother was Henrietta Grace Smith. He completed his studies from Charterhouse School, London. In 1876, he excelled in military examination. He sent to India as a British Army officer. He was active in many British Army activities and also helped to enhance the knowledge of his fellow colleagues. He served the British Army from 1876 to 1910. In 1884, he faced Djulu in the province of Africa for his regiment had been posted. In 1993, the British force declared a war on the Ashanti region of Africa. In August 1907, he organized a Boy Scout camp where boys from different social backgrounds had come together. The camp was held in Brownsea Island for a week. Baden-Powell was also a writer. He wrote books on scouting for boys, whose 150 million copies were sold, and soon the book was regarded as the fourth most selling book in 20th century. In 1909, the first rally of National Scout Movement of held, which almost had 11,000 children participants. He was buried in St. Peter's Cemetery in 1941. He was honored with 15 Whig Awards in his career. In 1909, scouting parties were established in India. Scouting was founded due to effort of Annie Besant and G.S. Arundali and many other such Indian leaders. Also supported scouting parties after Indian independence. On 7 November 1950, Bharat Scout and Guide organization was founded, which is now connected to the World Organization of Scout Movement. The chief organizer of this organization is President of India. Given below are few important dates. Next topic, Scout Promise and Law. On my honor, I promise that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people, and to obey the Scout law. Scout law is one and its 9 parts are as following. A scout is trustworthy. A scout is royal. A scout is a friend to all and a brother to every other scout. A scout is courteous. A scout is a friend to animals and loves nature. A scout is disciplined and helps to protect public property. A scout is courageous. A scout is thrifty. A scout is pure in thought, word, and deed. Homework for you all. Question number 1. What is the purpose of Scout and Guide? Question number 2. What is the full name of Baden Powell? Question number 3. Where did Baden Powell organize first Boy Scouting rally? Question number 4. Write promise and all the law of Scout. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.